VEVOK Chef Manual Burr Coffee Grinder, CNC Stainless Steel Burr Grinder 6 Adjustable Setting Portable Hand Crank Coffee Bean Mill for Espresso French Press Aeropress Coffee-For Hand Grinder Gift. CONICAL Stainless Steel Best Burr Grinder. This manual coffee grinder is made of durable and precise stainless steel burr which have built-in 5-axis CNC numerically controlled sharp blunt grinding core.It is more effective than ceramic core burr grinder, about 45 seconds for one-time grind. The capacity of glass container is about 48 grams, 0.1 pounds. Coffee POWDER.The coffee mill hopper can fill approx. 20 grams, 0.04 pounds, coffee beans which can make 1 to 2 cups for one-time grinder for coffee. 6 precise grades adjustable coarseness setting. This coffee burr grinder comes with 6 precise settings levels so that you can set a specific grind from coarse to fine, such as espresso, Aeropress, pour over, CHEMEX, cold brew, drip, coffee.For. Example, here are some right grind size: 1 to 2 grade for espresso machine, 2 to 3 grade for Moka pot, 3 to 4 grade for pour over, and CHEMEX 4 to 5 grade for French press, 5 to 6 grade for cold brew coffee. Portable coffee grinder, mini and easy carry for travel. Our portable manual coffee bean mill is 7.5 inch in height, 2.04 inch in width, 0.99 pounds in weight. You can easy to remove the hand coffee grinder's hand crank to add coffee bean into the hopper. POWDER.The manual grinder burr in your bag for travel, hiking, outdoors, trip, backpacking. When you go on a business, take manual coffee grinder with a brew freshly roasted coffee beans together, then you can enjoy the travel with a cup of exquisite coffee. Enjoy making coffee. Quite hand coffee mill burr hand handle operation. Coffee grinder mill is quieter than electric coffee grinder. Enjoy your coffee making process without bothering others. Enjoy the coffee bean to brew with the smooth, effective grind. Coffee lover gift our innovative design. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.